In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export to PDF in Notion step by step. This is perfect if you want to share your notes, documents, or pages with someone who doesn't use Notion, or if you simply want a clean, offline copy of your work. Whether you're a student, professional, or content creator, exporting to PDF is one of the most useful features in Notion. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, go to Notion. You can do this by opening your browser and heading to notion.so, or by opening the Notion desktop app if you're already using it. Once you're logged in, navigate to the page that you want to export as a PDF. This can be a simple text page, a project document, meeting notes, or even a full database view. Make sure the page you want to export is fully loaded and shows exactly what you want in the final PDF. Next, look at the top right corner of your Notion page. You'll see a three-dot menu icon. This is the Page Options menu, and it contains all the settings related to that specific page. Go ahead and click on the three dots to open the menu. Once the menu opens, scroll down until you see the option called Export. Click on Export, and this will open a new Export Settings window. This is where you can choose the format and customize how your file will be downloaded. In the Export window, you'll see different export formats available. Click on the Format dropdown, which may initially show options like Markdown and CSV. From this list, select PDF. Choosing PDF ensures your page is exported as a clean, shareable document that looks similar to how it appears inside Notion. After selecting PDF, you'll notice a few additional options. You can choose the page size, include or exclude subpages, and decide whether you want comments included. Take a moment to adjust these settings based on your needs. For example, if your page has subpages that you want included in the same PDF, make sure that option is enabled. Once everything looks good, click on the Export button. Notion will now process your page and generate the PDF file. When the export is complete, the PDF file will automatically download to your computer. You can now open it, review it, share it via email, upload it to cloud storage, or print it if needed. This PDF will preserve your formatting, text, and layout, making it perfect for professional use. And that's it. You've successfully exported a Notion page to PDF in just a few clicks. If this video saved you time or helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.